Listen to this. This channel right here is making money on YouTube without showing their face, without recording videos, and without even talking on camera. And the crazy part? They are using something called YouTube automation. Yeah, it sounds simple, but it's powerful. Let me break it down for you. YouTube automation means you build a channel where AI and simple tools do most of the work. You don't need expensive cameras. Here's how it works. First, you pick a topic people already search for, like motivation, tech, or how-to videos. Second, you use AI tools to write scripts, just like this one. Third, you turn that script into voice using AI voice generators. And finally, you combine everything into a video and upload it to YouTube. That's it. But here's the truth most beginners don't realize. The money doesn't come from just uploading videos. It comes from consistency and choosing the right niche. Some channels are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month just from simple AI-generated videos. And the best part? You can start this even today, with zero experience.